Yeah, good day, guys. So this is a Boom 500. 500. Let me take out all the analysis I've made already. So price is currently trending downward. We'll stick to the higher time frame. You can see the market created a low over here. So that's to say we had a low over there. Remember, this is a overall high over here. Price has not gotten there, neither has price made a break above that area ever since that high was created. So also had a low over here. Market created a low over here. So apply the use of trend line. So I'm taking this analysis to see the use of trend line. So you see, previously the market was creating a structure low, going upward, creating a series of higher highs and lower highs. So see, so ever since then, price has not gotten to this trend line again. Ever since then, price has not gotten to this trend line. Ever since then, market has been going upward, creating a new dynamic support upward. You feel me? So see, upward, you see, we're having a series of guys over here. This are the structural highs of the daily time frame, the overall highs of the daily time frame. Overall highs of the daily time frame. Now the need for spotting all these highs is to actually tell you the overall trend of the market. And give my point. Overall trend of the market from the daily time frame is that the market is on a downtrend. You getting me? So you need to spot that structure for you to know what you're doing. My point. So the market was moving, creating other structures, making a break. Creating demand, this zone dropping down. So you see, so there's something unique, there's something common about what I'm saying here, is that the market creates a series of highs going upward before making a break from the the dynamic support it created. You see, the market was going up at this level and then made a break down, went again, made a break down. You see, the same thing has occurred here again. Yeah, made a breakdown. This was a fake out. This was a fake breakout. Made a breakdown. So the market is up again. So definitely the market will surely make a break. Surely make a break. And how do we know that? Yeah, you see, we had a break over here. We had a break, and price is currently at the supply zone we have over here. Supply zone. So price, after the market tapped into this zone, you see the tap, right? This zone is a supply zone here. After tapping into this zone, the market started dropping down. I'm getting my point. The market started dropping down. So this is the lowest low we have over here. Lowest low we have over here. We're no longer needing this low anymore because the market has reacted to this low. So we need price to get to this previous low. So when price gets, if we get a break from this current low we have over here on the daily time frame, then we're expecting the market to drop down after the major breakout from this zone, drop down downward. You get my point? So that is to say, on the H4 H1 time frame, we need price to close below this level. Then we can possibly get a retracement on the lower time frame before the market initially drops down totally. You get my point? So if you remember very well, so let's move to the H4. Let's see. So that is the zone. This is the supply zone on the H4 time frame. You see. So before price made a break, so when price got there, so I will take out this trend line. This trend line has been violated already, so it's no longer used. So we're looking forward to this trend line. Is that understood? So we're looking forward to this trend line over here. That trend line has been violated. It's no longer valid. It's invalid now. So we're not looking at that anymore. This is the trend line we should be working with. And let's, to confirm our entry, we'll send this signal that we had an eye over there. That is the dynamic resistance, and if you take it down, to make it more thicker. So if we take it down, you'll see. Are you getting my point? Are you seeing the confluence of price action? You see? So first of all, if I was to use supply and demand in taking trade on this Boom500, my entry would be when price tapped into this zone. Is that I entered with this first entry here or the second entry? You see, price tapped that zone 3 times. That is, the market gave opportunities to step into the trend before the drop. And you see, after those 3 taps, which could not take price above this zone, the market started dropping. You see, and if you look very well, the market created a dynamic support on the H4, which switching to the H1, you're going to see it clearly. Created a dynamic support, right? Created a dynamic support, and if you look very well, this created a support here, price hold, here, price hold. You get my point? So now we're going to be looking out for break of lows and break of highs on the H1 time frame. So here we have a low and we have a low. Yeah, so these are the two major low we're looking for to determine the change of trend on Boom500, right? So we we're waiting for price to make a break of this first low, so the market initially break that low, and the market has now finally made a break below this very low here, the main low, to finalize the break. You understand? So this low has been taken out. This low has been taken out. It has been taken out already. So it's not needed. This low here has been taken out, so it's not needed. So this second low now has been taken out. And you get my point? So that's a confirmation that we'll be selling Boom500 until price gets to this level. You feeling me, right? You get my point? So if I should enter more trade, I'll be looking at to take my profit on minus resistance zones. You understand? And I'll be entering back with the retracement. So here we have structure here. We have a low there. That is, we have a support there. That if price gets to that zone, the market will surely spike, will surely react on the zone. So these are the zones we'll be looking at to determine when spike is going to occur, to determine, you understand, to know what is going to happen. These zones are zones that you should have in mind that the market will react when it gets to this zone. That is, the market might get a very strong pullback before moving. Are you getting my point? The market does not just gives you what you see or gives you what you need. You understand? It doesn't make you feel like you know what you're doing. It always tends to play with your feeling. You get my point? So that is it. So I'm looking at for closing at this zone because of the lot size I'm using, because I'm risking 100% of the capital, and because I'm sure of my entry. That's why I take that 100% risk. You understand? So I don't have anything to worry. So that's to say, these are the zones we are looking at. You see, taking profit at this level here is very, very okay, or even here itself is very, very okay. Or else you want to swing the trade to the price gets to this last low over here, or the last demand zone. If not breaking below this low. You get my point? So breaking the low indicates that the market is still going to drop. You understand? When the market breaks every low, or when the market breaks a low, breaks a new low, breaks a new high, it shows that the market is still going into this direction, as long as you know the direction. You understand? So in this scenario, the more the market breaks any low, the more it's going down. Are you getting my point? So in a scenario whereby the more the market keeps breaking highs, you understand, keep breaking highs, keep breaking previous highs, that means the market will keep going up. Are you getting my point? But in a situation whereby after breaking a previous high, and the market breaks a low and keeps breaking more lows, I mean the market will keep going down as long it keeps breaking more lows. You understand? You get my point? The more breaks of low, the more sell. The more you sell, you get my point? The more the market drops, the more violating of the structure high, the more price keep buying. You understand? The more you look for ways to buy. You understand? That's to say, the more we are in the trend. You understand? That proves the trend continuation. That is, there is no change of trend yet. You understand? That is the market has not changed its trend yet. the market is still selling, the market is still buying. Why is market still selling? Because the market keeps breaking previous lows. Why is market keep buying? Because the market keeps breaking previous highs. Understand? It's breaking highs. It's been long I saw a break of low. It's solely breaking highs. That is, market is buying. Are you getting my point? So our zone has the structure. Move to the 30 minutes. You will see we are having some minor structure here on the 30 minutes. See? Yeah. See, every zone has their structure you look at for. You understand? You might be using the H4 or H1. You are seeing that there's no zone. The only zone you are seeing is this one over here. But but you'll be surprised before the market gets there, you will see some very serious spike. You might be wondering why. If you move to the M30, M15, you will see there are demands. As the market is dropping down, there are demands level it needs to break below. It needs to violate for price to keep on moving. You understand? There are levels that makes that the market tends to react to as long as is going down. You get my point? So yeah, we have a break of high over here. That is a minor resistance. So definitely price will definitely react on this level here. You feel me? Price will definitely react on this level. You feel me, right? So if price react to this level, the next level price is looking at to react to is this level. Are you getting my point? So if the market reacts to this level, the next level is looking out for to react on is this level. After reacting on this level, it's going to react to this level. You understand? That is how it's going to keep on moving, keep on reacting. You understand? All this movement you are seeing, the market is selling, then give a spike, dropped down again, was giving spike, dropping down, went up, coming down, dropped or went down. Those are reaction from this structure, from this low, from this is what is causing the reaction over here. You understand? That is why the market does not move smooth, because it has to break through obstacles on its way. You get my point? So that's it for today, guys. Have a beautiful day. Till next week.